How to fix the Diagnostics policy service is not running error. Here are some methods that would help you with the Diagnostics policy service is not running error on your Windows 10. Method 1, start Diagnostics policy service. Method 2, administrative privilege to network services. Run these commands as admin, net local group administrators / add network service net local group administrators / add local service. Method 3, reinstall network adapter drivers. Method 4, system restore. Method 5, run SFC and DISM. Run these commands as admin, SFC/scanO SFC/scanO/offbooter equals C/offwinder equals C/Windows. If above fails, then try this one. DISM/online/cleanup image/check health DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health plan B DISM/image C:\offline/cleanup image/restore health/source C/test/mount/Windows DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health/source C/test/mount/Windows/limit access. Method 6, reset Windows 10.